Hi everybody, my name is Viktor Liaskowski. This is the Liaskowski guitars, and sorry behind so many works, so not so nice my workshop. I would like to show you, I want to make you one video for last 6 years. I painting some guitar, not so much, maximum 20 guitars, but only with spray. That's I want to show you, because I now have the painting cabin or something, because I make not every day, just only for 1 year, maximum 2 or 3 guitars. So now my next job is, I would like to show you the Fender Telecaster Arctic White. This is a piece of mahogany, two-piece body mahogany. And before you can see my video, I make wrong with the primer. It's a nitro color, nitro primer and nitro lac, clear coats, and just only for 2 other kind of name. So now I would like to show you, I'm speak with this company, the nitro lac. I try, and it's very good, perfect for me. I tried before with 2 guitars, and very nice to make spray. If I make slowly, the spray very nice colors. So if my customer or my friend want the original Fender colors, this company can make. So I buy the Olympic White, Arctic White, Sonic Blue. I order so many things. So today I start to make what I'm showing you, the Telecaster. So and I'm very happy. Today is arrived the box. This company, the Nitro Lac, is from Spanish, but you can look from the website. This have so many kind of colors, so many things, sandpaper, primer, lac, so many things him have, so can order. I'm staying in Innsbruck in Tyrol, in Austria, and I try before 3 kind of company colors. Is maybe good for painting the cars or in the garden or some hobby stuff at home, but for the guitar is nothing good, but I hope this good. Okay, so I'm showing you what I ordered from the box. Thank you. So here is the Nitro Lac box, what come from Spanish, the Telecaster, and need to make one more coat for the Strato. So last Monday, I don't remember, Monday or Tuesday last week I ordered. Today is a Monday, so 5 working days is come here. I'm not sure you, but this from Valencia, this is the company what I order, and come to Austria for Innsbruck. Okay, the box, and I'm showing you for what have inside. So I opened the box. It was 180 euros for everything what I ordered. So come full. Okay, I ordered the sandpaper. This for 2, 4, 6, 8 piece, 400 grit. Come 240 grit, same 8 piece. Masking tape. So sorry, what I ordered. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8 piece, 400 grit. 2, 4, 6, 8 piece. 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 400 grit. 2 nitro primer, two box nitro primer, nitro lacquer gloss spray, nitro white color. I order one polish. This is the for the last puller. Nitro lac. Glossy lac. Okay. Got more. Okay, this is important, very important. The GrainFiller. This is a natural GrainFiller because the mahogany is the structure same the sponge, so have so much small little hole. This is the mahogany, and first need to make. Okay, let's have more. Okay, this is the 2000 sandpaper. More 8 piece. Sorry, this is the 800. Okay. This is the 1200. So all zusammen I'm show you. So masking tape, filler, 240 sandpaper, 8 piece. 400, 8 piece, 800, 1200 and 2000, and after nitro primer, nitro white color and glossy lacquer for 2 piece. I buy for Strato 1 piece. I buy for the Telecaster 2 piece and 1 piece for Strato, and before I'm use another auto politur, but now I'm try the second time this 5 poly shine. Okay. So okay, the GrainFiller, I put this from the water base. So just first I'm not want put so much. I put same 3 piece of filler. Only I want to try first. Or more, a little bit. 4 piece of this. Nothing smell very good. This is a water base filler, and I put a little water first and I shake. When ready, and make with same painting. Nothing smell. Okay, now ready everywhere. So this finished the 3 coffee spoon batter. So one side is ready. I need to wait dry, and after I make other side and around. I make the first time with this. So when ready, look like this. Okay, around everywhere. I make now make dry 24 hours. Tomorrow I'm come back. So when the green filter is dry, can make with 240, and after 400 you can work with a piece of wood, or this very good have a sponge for very good can put and can make very well, easy to make. Just only I try now with dry. Right. Can make it paper, piece of wood. Very good, flexible. If full, just only open. Okay, finish other side. nice. I would like show you, and have the two piece of body. This the grain, very nice. Go inside. Before here the glue not so good, so go inside too. About the two of piece between, and very nice. Cannot feel nothing. Okay, I'm ready. We make around. Okay. Very good with this. I put just all in my finger, and small paste too, very easy. Very easy to work with this sandpaper. Very good, comfortable. So I make a piece of soft. I just only put. Or can make with some plastic that you can put. Edge the blade. Very good, thank you very much. This is very good for work. Oven is ready, 400. So when ready, very nice structure when I touch. Cleaning a little bit with the alcohol, and can make the first nitro primer. Glossy ready, 240, 400 ready. Come the primer 2 times. So the first primer is ready. Sorry, I don't make the video because the man I have nobody to help me. So the first coat primer is ready. So the last primer. Correct. Okay. make before around. We don't make video because the other hand I need to hold. So when the primer is ready, 4 coats primer ready. After I'm see something what I'm not like, normally when 4 coats ready I make with only 800, but only just a little bit I make with the trees, only 2 times with the 400 paper, and after I make all around the body, the Telecaster, all everywhere with the 800 sandpaper. Now same, very good, very nice touching, same the stone. So and after I put a little bit alcohol and I cleaning the body because don't touch with hand so much. I cleaning with alcohol, I make dry, and I make here in my cabin, I make the air. So this is the guitar I put for here, and I start to make with the white color, Arctic white.